Hi everyone, this is Beverley from danceScape.tv, your virtual dance studio. And this is your easy as 1, 2, 3 tutorial to get you registered into our online programs. So I'm going to walk you through how to find us and how to get yourself easily registered. We start off, our first one is going to be next week. That is our staycation, our Escape to Dancescape staycation, and that is on Monday, April the 20th. So here, let's go and walk you through what you need to do. So first, get yourself to danceScape.tv. And once you are there, then you are going to click on, if you look at the black bar at the top of the screen, under the logo, you're looking for free online classes. So as you put your cursor over that, you'll see the first option is your 21-day Escape to Dancescape staycation. So you're going to click on that. That will take you to a page that has, I'm just going to let that load. What you have here then at the top of the screen is a video. If you want to take in that video, please just click on the arrow in the middle of the screen. That will play some great information for you. Otherwise, we are going to scroll down the screen. And what you will see as we scroll down is a week at a glance. So you see the week at a glance, and we'll start off with Monday. In gold are the times of the actual programs or classes, and 7:30 on Monday is our kickoff party. So let us click on the 7:30. So just take your mouse over that. You're going to click on 7:30, opens up a new screen for you. And in that new screen, the first thing you will see is the registration for the staycation. So let us actually go through the process of doing that. Very simple. You're just going to click your mouse into your first name. Now I've got names in here already, but I am just going to type my name in there. I'll use my short form of the name, last name. Again, you're just going to type in there. As I type it, because it's already saved, it's showing up. Email, same thing. Just go in and select an email or type in your email. That will be the email box that you want your reminders to come to for that. And then again, also a phone number. So just mine already populated that. So, but just type in a phone number. And finally on that page, you are just going to register. The blue register button, we're just going to click on that. And automatically, I'm just going to scroll up, you will see it says, thank you for registering. And basically, you've done your job. You're now registered for that particular class. Now, just to see, I just want to show you what that looks like in email. So as we look at my email screen, you will get an email that says, thank you for registering. And in this case, it's for our Dancescape staycation. It tells you when that is. And you have a personal link to the page. At this point, if you are doing it a few days ahead, you don't need to do anything anymore. You're actually registered and you're ready to receive reminder notices. The first reminder notice you will get 12 hours in advance of the class, and then 30 minutes in advance of the class, you'll get your final one. When you receive that, the link that you see here, you will click on the link, and I'm going to do that even though it's not quite time. But this is, you'll get the information telling you to invite you into the class. We are now a couple of days out from this, but this is the information you'll receive. And all you will do then is basically, this will give you the invitation to link you into our page. All right. So that's very quick and easy in joining us for our classes. And if you have any questions, please email us invents@danceScape.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the class.